How to create blurred background effect in your PowerPoint. So for that, you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. First of all, you have to just go and right click on your picture. And once you are here, you have to just go and go for your format picture. Once you are on your format picture, you have to just go for this here. You can find the effect option. You have to navigate to this option. And once you are here, you have to just go and tap on this. And after that, here you have to just go and tap on this drop down button. After tapping on the drop down button, here you will find the different effect. And after that, you will simply find the blur effect too. Just tap on the blur effect option here. You can find that. And also you can just go for your radius option and you can increase and decrease your radius. Here you can see that. After that, you will simply have your blur background effect on your PowerPoint like this. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.